welcome to our brand new channel. This is gonna be like a little mix of everything, so just bear with us, you guys, because
we're still figuring things out.
Yeah. Well, hope this goes well. All you're gonna need for this project is some leggings, and the old pair will do. I'm pretty sure we got this at a thrift store for like $2, so there's that. And then any type of ribbon, we are using black and gold ribbon. And what we're going to do with the gold ribbon, we're just going to align them together because we didn't find a thick enough one to make it look super bad and bougie. Yeah, and then a hot glue gun and a lighter for fringing and scissors.
Because ain't nobody got the time to sew. Like, we don't
right?
get that out of
No
here.
sewing. First thing we're going to do is flip the leggings so it's on the seam, so you don't put it on the wrong spot, you know what I mean? So you just make sure everything is on the side. Or if you don't want your ribbon to go on the side, you can definitely put it in other places. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to start off with the black ribbon and just placing it where we want it to go. Yeah, leave excess right there in case you mess up, obviously, because we ain't got time to be messing up and starting all over. You can just lay it out and overlap the gold ribbon where you want it, so you can map it out before you start anything. See, ooh, girl, doesn't that look cute? AF.